Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to extract raster image as per your study area. So it is very important if you want to extract image and clip image. So it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. So let we start. Here is our raster image and we go to R catalog for making shapefile and we select here particular folder, we right click and go to new and select here shapefile and we write here extract image and we select here feature type polygon and give a projection. Go to edit and we select here projection as per your area and OK, close it, we hollow it and change outer line. After it we go to editor, start editing and again go to editor, edit window, you select here stacked image and draw a particular polygon. After it we save it and we search here stacked by mass, here is stacked by mass, we click and we select here input raster in image, we select here image and input raster, our extract image area means AOI or study area and OK. You see here our area is extract, we close it, our area is extract. So we complete process extract image. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching video.